Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. So let's take another updated look at this Elliott wave count. Chart structure, bullish, not as clear as, for example, when we take a look at the Ethereum chart, or if we take a look at Ethereum Classic, or if we take a look at Matic. What is missing at the moment in this beautiful picture of a nicely uptrending Quant is the fifth wave to the upside. Yeah, so you might remember we moved up here obviously in this was a 1-2-1-2 setup, basically very similar to what we saw on the Matic chart in this. So basically a 1-2 in white, then we moved up in the wave 3 in white. In this wave 3 we created a 5-wave impulse, 1 2 3 4 5. We came down in a wave 4. I gave you this reversal area here that was between the, I believe, the 38.2 and the 50% fib level. Yeah, we came down to the 50%, basically maxed out what we could, moved up since then. It failed so far to make a new higher high, and that is really what is needed. As a minimum, we would need to move above $117 to get a clear picture here of an impulsive wave structure and to complete this fifth wave in white. Yeah, because we've done the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The fifth wave is still missing. Making a lower high, not great. Yeah, not great. It could work out in a truncated wave arrangement, but it's just not great. So from the wave 4 low here, we can count this as an impulse up. We came down in a wave 2, and I believe next, if we want to maintain this bullish scenario, the chart needs to move up in a wave 3 and needs in this wave 3 here in white, it needs to break above that $117 level. Then there will be a wave 4 in white, a wave 5 in white to the upside, completing this wave and this larger wave 1. And only when this is complete, we should ideally come down here in a corrective wave pattern into this wave 2 target area. Now, I can't really give you a definite range for that. That depends on how high we are now going to cascade up. I think there's a good chance we do that. You can even see here an inverse head and shoulders pattern. This is not only a reversal pattern, it's also a bullish trend continuation pattern, an inverse head and shoulders. So again, neckline would be here actually, if you don't consider the wicks, neckline would be at $110. So we need to move above that level first, then take 117 out, and then we can move higher. At the moment, my primary expectation is that we have really only seen the wave 1 of that last wave, the wave 2 possibly already finished, and we should now move higher in a wave 3. Again, if the wave 2 isn't finished yet, then we go down a bit lower here. You can see we haven't maxed out this green area yet. We could go down theoretically here to $91 in this scenario, in this reversal area. And this is still likely as long as we are below $110. Because if we haven't taken out the high of the wave 1, we can still come down lower in this wave 2. Because, you know, as you can see, the green area still shows you some, or gives you some space for further downside. Ideally, though, we would contain the correction in this green reversal area, which is located between the 38.2% fib level and the 61.8% fib level. And yeah, you know, that's where we currently are here with Quant. I personally haven't bought Quant. I've bought Matic, ETH and so on, but not Quant. Well, I do have some Quant, but not recently, not from recent trades or anything. So at the moment, I am not doing anything anyway. I will consider to buy Quant if we come down into this area. Yeah, after the completion of the impulse. I want to see the impulse completed first. If we don't, this is for me not certain enough. Yeah, I always try to wait here for confirmation. Let's say we come down now without making a significantly higher high, then for me it's doubtful if the wave 5 is actually complete, and in the end we then need to consider this was actually just a corrective wave pattern. So we need to see that higher high in the fifth wave to convince us that we are here really in a bullish wave structure. Okay, and that's my view about Quant. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.